Greetings, future English language enthusiasts. My name is Gloricel Bagisan, and I am thrilled to introduce myself as your prospective online English teacher, hailing from the vibrant Philippines. With a burning passion for language instruction and armed with a TEFL certificate, I'm eager to embark on this transformative journey with you. Having spent 3 enriching years in the teaching field, I've gathered a wealth of experiences that has honed my skills and deepened my understanding for language instruction. These skills have equipped me with valuable insights and techniques that I am excited to share with you on your English language learning journey. Currently, I'm in my second year pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education major in English. This academic pursuit not only underscores my commitment to teaching, but also ensure that my teaching methodologies are grounded in sound pedagogical principles. So whether you're a beginner eager to grasp for fundamentals, or an advanced learner aiming for fluency, I warmly invite you to join me in my virtual classroom. Together, let's discover the intricacies of the English language, cultivate confidence and communication, and unlock the world full of opportunities. Let's embark on this transformative adventure together. See you in class!